Disclaimer. This story is for educational and motivational purposes only. It is based on publicly known facts, written with help from ChatGPT, an AI tool by OpenAI. We do not intend to harm or misrepresent any person.
The Life of Bill Gates in Simple English. Bill Gates was born in Seattle, USA, in 1955. He lived with his parents and two sisters. His father was a lawyer, and his mother was a teacher. From a young age, Bill liked reading books. He spent many hours reading every day. He was not interested in sports like other children. Instead, he enjoyed learning new things. In school, he was quiet but very smart. One day, the school brought a computer. It was big and slow, but Bill was excited. He started using it and wanted to know how it worked. While other kids played outside, Bill spent time with the computer. His teachers were surprised by his interest. He asked many questions and read more books. Bill was curious and full of ideas. This small boy with big dreams was ready to do something great in life. Bill Gates saw a computer for the first time at school. It was different from today's computers. It was big and not very fast, but Bill loved it. He wanted to learn everything about it. He started spending many hours on it. Soon, he learned how to write small programs. He was just a teenager, but he worked with great focus. He felt happy while using the computer. He even skipped some classes to spend more time coding. He read books about programming and practiced every day. Bill was not like other students. He did not get bored of learning. Computers became his best friends. He always wanted to build something new. His love for computers kept growing. This small interest turned into a strong passion. Bill believed that computers were the future, and he wanted to be part of it. At school, Bill Gates met a boy named Paul Allen. Paul was older than Bill, but they had one thing in common. Both loved computers. They became close friends and started spending time together writing code and talking about new ideas. They even found a mistake in the school computer and helped fix it. The school was surprised because they were just students. Bill and Paul dreamed of starting a company someday. They worked on small projects and never wasted time. While others were playing or watching TV, they were building programs. Their friendship became strong. They trusted each other and believed they could do something big. They were not rich, but they had great minds and big dreams. This friendship was the start of something very special. One day, together, they would change the world of computers. In 1975, Bill Gates and Paul Allen had a big idea. They wanted to build software for computers. So, they started a company and named it Microsoft. Bill was just 20 years old. They had no office and very little money. They worked in a small room and wrote code all the time. They had no big team, but they had big dreams. They wanted every person to have a computer in their home. Many people laughed at them and said it was not possible. But Bill and Paul did not give up. They worked day and night. They made many mistakes, but they learned from them. Slowly, people started to notice their work. Microsoft started to grow. The dream that once seemed too big was now starting to become real. Their journey had truly begun. One day, a large company named IBM needed software for its new computer. Bill and Paul saw this as a big chance. They told IBM, "We can do it," even though they had not built the software yet. They quickly started working. In a short time, they created a program called MS-DOS. IBM liked the software and paid them. This was a big turning point for Microsoft. Now, more people knew about the company. Many other companies also started asking for their software. Microsoft began to grow quickly. They hired more people and started making more products. Bill Gates became the leader of the company. He worked hard and made sure everything was perfect. The deal with IBM helped Microsoft become a well-known company. This one big opportunity changed everything for Bill and Paul. In 1985, Microsoft created something new. It was called Windows. Before Windows, people had to type many commands. But with Windows, they could click with a mouse. It was easy to use and looked nice. People loved it. They could now use computers at home and in the office. Microsoft sold millions of copies of Windows. It became the most popular software in the world. Bill Gates became even more famous. He worked hard to improve Windows. Every year, Microsoft made better versions. More companies and schools started using it. Windows changed the way people used computers. Microsoft became a global company, and Bill was the face of it. He proved that one simple idea, if done well, can change the world. Windows made computers easy for everyone, and that made Bill Gates a hero in technology. As Microsoft grew, it made more and more money. Bill Gates became one of the richest people in the world. For many years, he was the richest man on earth. He built a big house and had many things, but he still worked hard. He wore simple clothes and lived a simple life. He did not show off his money. Bill said, "Success is a bad teacher. It makes smart people think they can't lose." He believed in learning from mistakes. Even when he was rich, he kept reading and learning. People around the world wanted to know his secret. Bill said the key to success was hard work, learning, and loving what you do. His story gave hope to many young people. It showed that anyone can do great things if they believe and try hard. Bill Gates had a lot of money, but he did not keep it all. He wanted to help people. In 2000, he and his wife Melinda started the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. This foundation helps poor people around the world. It gives money to build schools, provide clean water, and fight diseases. The foundation has helped millions of children and families in different countries. Bill said, "If you are lucky, it is your job to help others." He wanted to use his money to make the world better. He believed that giving is more important than getting. Bill and Melinda worked together and visited many places to help people. His heart was full of kindness. He was no longer just a businessman. He became a helper and a giver. People loved and respected him even more. In 2008, Bill Gates stepped down from his full-time job at Microsoft. He wanted to focus more on helping people. He gave his role at the company to others, but he still helped with big ideas. Now, most of his time went to the Gates Foundation. He and Melinda worked hard to improve lives in poor countries. They gave money, time, and love to people who needed help. Bill visited schools, health centers, and villages. He met leaders and worked on big plans to solve problems. He believed that smart people should use their time to help the world. He said, "We all can do something good." Bill Gates changed his role in life. He was no longer just a tech leader. He became a leader for world change, showing that kindness is also a kind of success. Bill Gates teaches us many simple but powerful lessons. He says we should always keep learning. He read many books and learned new things every day. He worked hard, even when he was rich. He loved computers and followed his passion. He also believed in helping others. He said, "It's fine to celebrate success, but more important to learn from failure." He was not afraid to fail because he knew failure helps us grow. He also showed that money is not everything. Giving and helping others is also important. Bill stayed kind and humble, even when he was the richest man. His story tells us that anyone can succeed if they work hard, stay curious, and stay kind. Bill Gates is not just rich in money, he is rich in wisdom and heart. His life inspires people all over the world.